Yo, get on this beat real quick. Get on my bike, then I hit the street real quick. Yup, all my gears fixed, some of the shit too legit. Not hammer with the grammar, man, I will never quit. Got raps like grandma got cookies at the house. The type that'll clothesline you in front of your spouse. Watch your mouth, we not the type to be the type you wanna see up close and personal via satellite. I challenge life like what the fuck is up. Knife so big it'll put you in a summy tuck through a cut. Duck, the official pistol packer made through the mind that'll play and blaze you. I'm amazing, I thank those who give a shout out to the cat who never copped out. Graduated and wasn't a dropout. Fuck y'all, it's about to go down. Off the it up, I mean the up and up. But I was over the hum for the drum for such and such, cause they couldn't hear what I was saying. So I enough until the hum was up and it got a little loud. And I was jumping inside of the crowd, boots first, Timberlands on with spikes on them through the earth. Walking like I don't give a fuck what's your turf. You like a Nerf ball, you sorta soft. Getting thrown in the air and throw back, go get a job. You throw back, we go back, we know it hard. MC stepping up to the mic, we going off. Awkward, I talk words down like it's a price. Pinnacle of my life, a pyramid be out the height. Flight, something like an aeroplane. One finger, bitch, I air your brain. Won't even near your chain, cause I don't wear necklaces unless I'm specs in it. That's why my necklace got chakras from a rock in it. Rockin' shit like I would sorta rock my amp with this. Or my ambience from analysts. Shit that I could put you cats in an ambulance. In a stance of karate, you would never have a chance. Yup, swear to God, yup, swear to me. Word to life, word to streets, word to treble, word to beats. Word to the fact that I don't sleep. Probably won't eat for weeks, but I eat these beats. Sheesh, shit'll go down. Word, we on that, this, that, and the third. Collapsing these niggas like balls on the curb, cause we ain't got no other game to play. And we get 10 points if a car come through. Man, it's that ghetto kung fu. 1, 2, Sun You, the art of Sun Tzu. One view from off the building, slamming you right in front of your children twice. Yup, like that bar I said earlier, cause you ain't nice, but you be trying to play like you polite. Yup, the price of life, we spin that bill. Get that deal, get a fork, then get at that meal. For real, yo shit'll spill, shit'll get you really killed. Fuck around, you will get killed and treated just like a meal. Shit's real, Ishmael, get your shit peeled like an orange. Yup, this the destroy that we enjoying, we employing. Anybody who think we ain't hiring, we firing. Those who get on the mic and ain't inspiring. I rhyme until I'm perspiring. When I'm in, I bring the fire in. So hot, they don't even call firemen, they just let it burn. You don't get a fucking turn. I burn your scalp till you go out, till your motherfucking head exposed through your skull. Cause I burn down deep through the flesh. Who you want test? We fresh, you looking like a guest. And you thinking that you wanna do this, but can't do this the way we do it. Cause we freeze them like a julep with the music. Might even throw some cocktail in it, like Puerto Ricans off of Clinton. When I'm speaking these words that I be freaking, they be scorching motherfuckers like summer from the sound of Stevie Wonder. And I wish a nigga would, certified via hood. They just wish a nigga good, but they can't do what we do, and that shit is understood. Understand, overhead, underhand, and my feet over land. When I'm walking with a Walkman and I'm feeling like a man and was born one. Mama taught me just how to be, so I wish a motherfucker would test. Cause I was in the backseat of that Gran Torino with them blankets, watching her pull that pump out on anybody, even the jump out. Word, and this was in the 80s, early, so when you see me, you might not think I'm crazy, cause I be on a motherfucking bike. Cause I'm trying to walk through life and view whatever I need, cause I done get through shit, and I'm not trying to stop, I'll be on cue. And any motherfucker who test me, they ass is on true. Word, and I mean that, true, just like my brother's name. Yup, we put the flames to him like the name was James Brown. In a blue suit, made of velvet, but I don't do this shit just like Elvis. These are kicks from the pelvis, they hurt, yup, I make them work like a job cause I'm an expert. You bob until your neck hurt, it need to. Get on this mic and I'ma eat you. I believe me, I don't believe you. You see through the peephole, we hit your peephole. Head first, they dead earth. We go to the church and not see earth. No disrespect, but I just came to get a plate and view that little smirk upon your face. But when I knocked it out of place in a cypher, cause you thought that you could test us with the treble over bass. We rock this shit just in case. I'm out of space and my brain cells working. It's MCs who be stepping to the mic that we be hurting. Shit is curtains, like the ones in front of me. Damn, they like your blood when it's dry, cause it's burgundy. If y'all ain't never heard of me, get ready for surgery. Word to life, word to this mic, nigga ain't word to me. Let her be player from alphabets, cause we ain't having it. Jump up off the couch just to grab a bitch, then snatch a bitch for a motherfucking slam like Ultimate Warrior. Up in the air, I will pump you twice. Yup, we catch you out on the block and jump you twice. Yup, to prove a point like 89 that you ain't nice. Yup, we brought them bats and sticks for all of them challenges, and even beer bottles we would throw full throttle.